Hello students. So in this question we are given in a soccer practice session the football is kept at the center of the field 40 yards from the 10 feet high goal post. A goal is attempted by kicking the football at a speed of 64 feet per second at an angle of 45 degree to the horizontal. We have to find whether the ball will reach the goal post or not. So let's try to imagine the situation. So this is the goal post. This is the center of the field and this is 40 yards. So 40 yards, each yard is 3 feet, so it is 120 feet. So the ball, when it is kicked, it will either travel like this, or like this, or like this. So we have to find out which is the scenario which is being satisfied here. So first of all, we'll calculate the range to eliminate the first scenario. So range is u square sine 2 theta by g equal to 64 into 64 and sine 2 theta, theta is 45 degrees, sine 2 theta is sine 91 upon g is 32 feet per second square. So this is 128. So the first scenario is eliminated. So it is definitely crossing the goalpost. Now we have to check whether at 120 feet distance, whether the ball is above the 10 feet high goalpost or below the 10 feet high goalpost. Hmm. So first we'll have to calculate the time taken to reach 120 feet in the x direction. So s equal to uxt plus half at square. A is 0 in the x direction, so 120 equal to ux is 64 by root 2 into t. So t equal to 120 into root 2 by 64. This is the time taken to reach the goalpost in the x direction. So now we have to calculate the y displacement. Sy equal to uyt. Uy is again 64 by root 2. Since u is 64, it is a 45 degree into 120 root 2 by 64 minus half into g is 32 into 120 into 120 into 2 by 64 into 64. So we have kept all the values. So we'll try to simplify. it comes to 120 minus 225 by 2 equal to 225 by 2 is 112. So 120 minus 112, it is 7.5. So this reaches 7.5 feet. So this is definitely inside the goalpost. Therefore, the ball will reach the goalpost. Thank you.